Increasing brand awareness. First of all, go to www.facebook.com/ads/manager/creation. In the awareness list, click on Increase Brand Awareness. With this objective, you'll reach people more likely to pay attention to your ads and increase awareness for your brand. Give your campaign a name and click on Continue. In the ad set, you'll need to define your audience, budget, and schedule. First is your audience. I will use a saved audience this time. In placements, choose where your ad will be shown and click on Edit Placement. In platforms, select Instagram. In advanced options, you can specify mobile devices and operating systems. In budget and schedule, define how much you'd like to spend and when you'd like your ads to appear. Select daily budget or lifetime budget and define the amount of this budget. In schedule, select if you want to run your ad set continuously starting today or set a start and end date. Click on Show Advanced Options and customize the optimization for ad delivery. Choose between brand awareness or reach. Edit your bid amount, when you get charged, ad scheduling, and delivery type. On the right, you'll see the audience definition and estimated daily reach. Once you finish, give your ad set a name and click on Continue. The last step is creating your ad. For format, you have 5 options: carousel, single image, single video, slideshow, and canvas. Read the description of each one and choose the option you prefer. I'll choose single image. With this option, you can create up to 6 ads with 1 image, each at no extra charge. As previously told, you can also add an Instagram account if you want, but it's not necessary in order to run Instagram ads. You can connect a Facebook page to represent your sponsored advertising instead. Here you can also add some text related to your ad and a website URL. Click on Show Advanced Options if necessary and see the pixel tracking and offline tracking options. On your right, you'll see the ad preview. Finally, click on Place Order.